Hi everyone, welcome again to Canva. So since we've talked about your dashboard, now let's go ahead and create a graphic using a Canva template. Canva template saves you so much of your time because let's just say, for example, you don't have the time yet or you don't have your creative juices flowing to come up with your own design. Canva already have a lot of pre-made templates that you can choose from. Whichever you can use whichever one that you loves the most or whichever resonates with your content or with your copy. So let's get that started. So there are multiple ways to get started and use a Canva template. So right here is your search bar. So you'll just have to type Instagram and Instagram post will come up. So there already goes your templates. You can just choose any of this. There's also an Instagram story. Sorry, because we've not been specific. You can actually redo it and just type in Instagram post. And there you go. So you have your blank slate. This is the one that you're going to use if you have your own design, if you wanted to come up with your own design. And then here are the templates available ready for you. So just choose whichever you like or whichever is whichever is related to your content. Let's say, for example, if you wanted to announce a sale, or if it's a quote, or if it's a new blog, then just choose any of these templates. Then once you've chosen, let's just say, for example, I'm gonna choose one second, let me just choose something. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So it will open right away a Canva workspace or editor for you with that template already right here on your canvas. Also, if you don't want to do the search bar, you can just go ahead and do it right here under Create a Design. Click on Instagram post. It will open a canvas for you. It will open a workspace for you, but with a blank page. So let's just wait for it to load. There, so there's your blank page. Now, how you can choose a template is just right here. All you have to just click right here on the templates on your left panel. And Instagram post templates will load for you according to its category. So we have food Instagram post, sale Instagram post, love Instagram, Halloween, birthday, summer, spring, wedding, so on and so on. So let's just say for this post, I'm gonna do a let's just say I'm gonna do this one. It's like a coat. So I'm gonna choose that one right. So we have now two templates open. Depends on how you wanted to get started. So right here and one right here. So I'm just gonna go with the first template that we've chosen. So since this is already a template, all we have to do now is just to replace the text, the colors, the fonts, and the picture. So let's just say, for example, right here, you wanted to change this with women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. So let's just say, for example, what code do I so let's say you have a different code. Yourself is your limit. And then unknown, because I don't know who the author of that. Yeah, let's just say, for example, this is not the color of your brand and you wanted to choose your brand color. So I'm going to choose pink for my end because I have a pink for my brand color. So I'm going to replace it. All you have to just click right here. And then this is your color picker. Then you just choose from any color, or you can also add a specific color. just add in the hex code of that specific color. So let's just say, for example, white. So white is, oh my god, sorry, white. There. So, but that's too plain. I'm going to change it to my pink. And this one I'm going to change into something. Okay, that doesn't look good. I'm going to change it back like that. Then I'm going to change the flowers into black. There. Then, sorry, let me just bring it back. So for the photos, you can just go ahead and delete that and pick up a photo from your stock photos or from your upload. So let's just say I'm gonna use a stock photo. Well, let me just get something from the keyword happy. So, I'm gonna use this. So I'm just gonna make it look like how it used to with the template that I chose. And so this goes right at the back. So just click on the position and send it backward. One more. Oops. Sorry. There we go. So you've already changed the color, the text, and the images. So that's how templates work. All you have to do is just change the color, the text, or you can also delete some elements and then add your own. Let's say, for example, I wanted to add a paper cut or something. Okay, let's say this one. I wanted to, no. That doesn't look right. Oops, doesn't look right as well. Let's just say, for example, a brush stroke. Okay, there. So I got a brush stroke. I'm gonna use that. And then I want to change the color. I'll change it to a lighter pink. Or yeah, there, change the color. You can also rotate that and then position it to the back, and there you go. So the templates works wonders because it saves you time and also gives you a new idea of how you'd like your design to look like. And then once you're done, just go ahead and download it. For Instagram posts, for social media graphics, it's always best to download it on a PNG format. Then just choose PNG and then hit on download and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks.